In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Live View not working in Dreamweaver. If Live View suddenly goes blank or freezes, don't worry. This is usually a temporary rendering hiccup inside Dreamweaver, not a problem with your actual code. The quickest way to get back on track is to toggle Live View off and then back on. Look for the Live View button in the document toolbar at the top of your workspace. When you click it off, Dreamweaver stops the embedded preview engine. When you click it on again, it restarts that engine and rebuilds the page preview from your current HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This simple reset clears minor glitches that can make the preview appear empty or unresponsive. As you toggle, give the interface a moment to catch up. If your page pulls in several style sheets, fonts, or scripts, it may take a second for everything to load and render. You'll often see activity in the status area as resources are processed. Once the view returns, scroll or interact with the page to confirm it's responsive again. This action doesn't change or overwrite any of your code. It only refreshes how Dreamweaver displays it, so it's safe to use whenever LiveView misbehaves. If toggling doesn't fully clear the issue, or if the preview looks stale, press F5 to refresh the view inside Dreamweaver. This refresh is similar to reloading a web page in a browser, but it happens within the Live View environment. It forces Dreamweaver to reread your files and re-render the preview, which is helpful if assets were updated or if the preview paused mid-process. Keep an eye on the bottom status bar or any loading indicators to confirm the refresh completes. After the refresh, interact with elements like menus or buttons to verify everything is responsive. Here's a quick way to think about it. Toggling LiveView off and on is like power cycling the preview engine, while pressing F5 is like reloading the current page inside that engine. If LiveView goes blank or freezes, first toggle it off and then on. If it still seems stuck or out of date, tap F5 to force a clean refresh. In many cases, doing both, toggle, then refresh, restores a clean, accurate preview in seconds. That's all you need to quickly fix a blank or frozen Live View in Dreamweaver. Use the toggle to restart the preview, and press F5 to refresh it when needed. This way, you can get your visual feedback back immediately and keep building without losing momentum.